Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kapag merong nagbebenta ng isang bahay or apartment na sobrang mura pero sobrang laki nung apartment or nung bahay na yun? Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit ang mura? Yeah, it's either meron kayong kasamang nilalang na nandun, okay? Kaya mura kasi wala nang tumitira. Yeah, andun yung character natin sa game na to is binili niya yung sobrang mura na house. Actually, hindi niya binili. Nag-rent siya sa bahay na yun. Which is, ayun nga, unti-unti na nagpaparamdam yung ghost na yun sa atin and yeah, it's scarier than I thought. Tsaka yung mechanics ng horror game na to, pre, is sobrang unique, okay? I like it so much. Kaya, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, pre, nakakaba din yung game na to. Let's go! The game name is Coincidences? May question mark. Yes, may question mark yung title ng game. Coincidences? Just watch. Kita niyo na ba?
Let's go purple.
Damn, landlady! She raised my rent almost twice. I could barely pay before. Now there's no chance. I should have had a few nice words for her before leaving. At least I got lucky with a cheap house, though it's far from the city, practically in the woods. And the landlord is a bit odd pala. Still, at that price, I'm not complaining. Iba talaga pag ano, alam niyo yung mga
Sup my boy.
kapag talagang cheap na bahay, alam nang may something eh. I even found a job at the local shop. As a cashier though, I hope it's temporary. Pag talaga mura yung pagtitira natin, may something na agad eh. Hindi na maganda yan. I need to grab my things, put on the flashlight, and head out. Ang dilim na, nakikita niyo ba? Ayun. Hindi naman ako lag dito. The landlord said the door would be open, and the key is on the hallway table. Kanina pa to? Start ko lang guys. Ang hirap makita nung comsec. Nakakaumay. Asan yung bag ko? Kunin ba natin yan? Kasi ba? Ito ba? Ay. Kaya pala cheap eh. Kaya pala cheap rent. Parang hindi nilinis. Parang may nakatirang kakaiba. Parang ang dilim. Kita niyo na ba? Malinaw ba guys?
Ganyan dito
What the?
sa Pinas.
Sabagay. What the? Looks like there's another entrance here. Or I'm sleeping in the car. Eto, di ba entrance to? Ay, bawal. Oh, dito ata. Dito na ba? There's the second entrance.
Huwag
It's open.
mapipilay ka.
Take the key from the side table. Ito. Tapos, here's the key. Now, I need to turn on the power. The breaker is somewhere outside. Turn on the power. Nasa likod ata.
Wala
Palabas tayo.
siguro sa dorm si Hatsu.
Bawal.
Di
Twice a week ba ako nagla-live? Bala ko na nga mag-live ng ilang hapon.
Mahaba ba yung game man?
Gusto ko mag-live na ng hapon para hindi lang ako nakatenga dito sa ano. Eto na! The moment of truth. Maganda ba ilaw natin? Siguro pangit yung ilaw dito.
Natutulog yan before
Laki,
12
Ayan na, maliwanag na! Madilim pa rin. Kabubukas ko lang. Wow. Napaka-smooth ng gameplay ko pero pagdating dito sa ano, naka-freeze. So, saan tayo matutulog? Sa taas? Let's go up. Wait, sinara ko to ah. Okay, goods. Familiar yung bahay. Okay. Saan tayo matutulog? Where? Ito parang child's room to ah. Mag-isa lang ba tayo dito? Child's room ah. Ito, tulog na. Tulog na agad? Wala man na ligo-ligo. Hello, George. Wala ligo-ligo. Seems I slept well. I need to quickly put my things away. Look around the room. And head to work. Hindi ba tayo nagtatrabaho sa ano? I think nagtatrabaho tayo sa convenience store something. Ang haba! Finally moved in. The house turned out even better than I expected for this kind of money. Kaya siya cheap kasi may multo. Whose notes are these? It's very similar to my situation. Horror game yan. Looks like the previous tenant left their journal here. Okay na. Great. Now I can go to work. Buksan natin lahat ng ilaw kasi first day natin dito eh. Uy! May sumilip na agad! Pre, parang yung multo dito kamukha ni Slendrina. Kaya sabi ko, try na. Kaya sabi ko try natin to eh. Anong Tagalog ng coincidence? Alam niyo ba anong Tagalog ng coincidence? Context? I don't know. Nag-move lang tayo sa isang house na ganun. Kasi cheap rent daw yun. Cheap rent daw yung bahay na yun kaya nag-move in tayo doon.
Coincidence siya.
Finally, the shift is over. The manager left me some what? Ah, dito nga tayo sa convenience
This house
store.
and car kinda familiar.
Wait, anong gagawin ko? Read the manager's note. Where's the note? Manager. Where's the note? Okay, meron tayo dito. Congratulations on your first day on the job. Before you leave,
Paper lang
complete the
yan.
following tasks. Pick up any trash from the sales floor. Empty the bins. And at the main entrance from the street. Okay, take the garbage to the dumpster behind the store. Lock all exterior doors of the store. Turn off the lights. There are 3 switches in the
Pag
office.
nagpagupit
Flip
kayo
them all.
sabihin,
Right, I'm closing the shift. The sooner I start, the sooner I get home. Tama, tama. Buti na lang ano.
simple game name.
Buti na lang hindi maano yung character natin. Hindi tamad. Paparamdam na ata yung multo agad, pre. Ano nga ba? Pick up the trash from the floor. Where's the trash? Wala naman ng trash eh. Ito pala. Ano Tagalog ng... Wala akong nakita yung nag-comment ko anong Tagalog ng coincidence. Guys, anong Tagalog ng coincidence? Ay! Coincidence! Hey, Stan. Oh, I mistook you for Stanley. Ah, okay, nagkataon. He was supposed to what? Sorry, man. Sorry, man. The store is already closed. Nah, I dropped by to give Stanley his $20. By the way, have you seen him? Have you seen him? I think it's his shift today. Wait, who is Stanley? Stanley's a buddy of mine. He works here. Beard and green cap.
Sagot ka naman namin kanina ah.
I sometimes drop by to chat with him. Huh? It's my first day, but I haven't heard of Stanley, and I haven't seen anyone in a green cap.
Nagkataon ko.
Maybe he quit? Unlikely. As far as I know, he moved somewhere nearby. Wasn't planning to quit, but I haven't seen him for a week. Alright, I won't keep you. I'm off. Kuya si, saan siya sumusulpot eh. Galing mag-English, may binabasa ako.
Nagkataon
Ba't ganun siya magtakbo? Ba't ganun siya tumakbo? Some weird guy. Anyway, I need to finish up. Kapag nagbabasa tayo, dapat daman-daman natin. Para yung takot, nasa inyo din. Wait, ano pa ba trash bin ano natin? Wait, labas na to eh. Meron pa ba? Throw the trash into the dumpster behind the store. Now I need to lock all exterior doors of the store, leaving only the back one for exit. Lock all exterior doors except the back door. Ito ba? Okay, locked. Pili ko magpaparamdam na yung ano dito. Magpaparamdam na ata yung may sumilip kanina sa bahay. Mahaba yung buhok. Wait, kala ko. Ah, except the back door. Okay. Tapos. Ito na ata. Ay, wala pa. Di pa siguro magpaparamdam dito. I just need to turn off the lights. Right. I should put on the flashlight. Nasaan na yung pampatay ni ilaw? Hello? Eto pala. Okay na. Everything's good. Finally done with everything. Time to head out. Uwi na ako niyan. Oh, di ba? Nagbi-blink na yung flashlight ko.
Binura ko muna mga vids mo sa G Drive. I need storage ha.
Damn. I have the groceries up prepared for home
How's your day?
in the office. I need to go get them. Ay, to.
Dapat English sagot na.
Oh! Ano yun? Oh, siya may gumagapang. Ayun na may babae. Lock the back door and go home. May babae na. Uy, huwag ganun. Lock the back door and go home. Ah, okay. Okay, go. Hello, Dream Show. Okay, we're home na ulit. Honestly, working at the store has its perks. At least I can buy groceries cheaper. Parang hindi ganyan sa Pinas. Pag nagtatrabaho sa 7-Eleven, wala atang voucher dyan or something eh. 'Di ba? 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 ' Mas nakagulat yung sigaw ko. Di pa ako nasigaw. Wait lang. I'm getting hungry. I need to cook something for dinner. Oo, tingnan mo. Napaka-cheap ng rent
Pwede
natin,
mo
pare.
kainin mga pa-expired.
Nagbiblink ko. Bakit? Why is it blinking, ha?
6 days siya di nag-leave.
Idol, bakit ka nagbiblink? Nagbiblink. Si Lester. Hello, this is Lester, your landlord. How are you feeling? Everything alright? Hello. Yeah, everything's fine. I just got back from work. Are you there alone? Remember I told you not to bring guests and not to talk about the house or the price? Bakit hindi pwedeng pag-usapan yung... Yeah, I remember your request. I didn't invite anyone. I live alone. Why is it so important? Ano ba to? Magkano ba benta sa bahay nito, ha? I just don't want to deal with taxes and paperwork. What difference does it make, anyway? What do you mean? You won't find anything better for this price? Alright, don't worry. I won't tell anyone. By the way, what's with the electricity in the house? Why is it acting up? But parang feeling ko may sisilip dito anytime. The house is old. The wiring acts up. Don't pay attention to it. If you need anything,
At
look in the
soon,
pantry.
naliligo siya.
Alright, bye. Ba't iba-iba yung boses? Ganun talaga yan. Para ma-separate natin yung character nun, pre, si Lester.
Alright,
Alright, I don't wanna think about anything. I need to make dinner. Wala natin na ano natin. Feeling ko yung pagkain natin dito ano eh. Wait, nasan yung ano? Ito ba? Bakit nasa labas yung sweet? Anong pagkain ko? Tinola? The vegetables are laid out. Now I just need to cut them. And put them in the pan. Cooking simulator pala to eh. Lagi akong wala eh. Nagbabago na ako guys. Hindi na ako sikip. Uy, ang tagal mo na mahatiin yan. Ah, okay. Lagyan mo na dyan. Isa-isin ko to? Dinner pa lang natin. Parang may something doon kanina. Ba't bumakas? Ay, napindot ko pala. Kala ko gumagalaw na mag-isa yung rep eh. Pwede ba isa na yung ano? Yun na nga!
parang ewan naman.
Nakita nyo? Nakita nyo ba yun? May sumilip? Si Slendrina yun, pare. Tinatakot sarili.
Hindi pa ulit nga.
I need to turn on the light. Hindi na, mag-cut ka na lang! Eto to. Lumulutang yung ano natin, ah. Ayun, oh! Sabi ko na eh, parang may something sa bahay na to, pre. Nag-rent tayo ng bahay na sobrang cheap. Sobrang laki. Hindi ako nagbukas ng rep!
Narinig.
Teka lang, pagsasabihan ko lang may ingay. Kahit ako'y maingay, wala silang lab. I should check what's going on there. Electricity? Parang ayaw na lumingon, pre. Nakaka-stress naman magluto dito. Ano ba kakainin ko? May patatas, may broccoli, may carrot. Dati oh.
Kakain ka ng
Hello, Dang.
gulay.
Now I need to cover the pan with a lid. Turn on the stove and wait for the vegetables to cook. Okay. Of course we should. Cover.
Tapos Batangan
Turn on.
naka-black.
What game coincidence? Lester said something about the pantry. I should check what's there while the food is cooking. Pantry? Ay, nasan dito? Ito. Idol. Looks like the flashlight batteries are running low. Alright, I'll deal with it later. Buti naman. Charge muna, batteries muna. Kailangan natin ng battery. I think andito. Yeah, ito nga. May sisilip dito, guys. Dito. Ay no! Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Nababasa na kita, tol. Hindi mo na ako magugulat. Silip ka ng silip ha, kanina pa. Now the flashlight is good as new. Store ka. Oh! Ba't nabalik pa rin ako? Kabila ba? Okay. Looks like there's nothing else interesting here.
Ay, mo muna.
Tagal maluto ng broccoli kaya eh. With respect. Eat dinner. Ha! Ano yan? Parang naging apritada. Apritada ata itong ulam natin eh. Kaon na tayo, kaon. Apritada may broccoli. Walang kanin? Hindi. Hindi uso kanin sa ano, di ba? Sa ibang bansa. Wow. Napaka-lonely naman ng ano natin, ng buhay natin dito. I mean, realistic naman yung pagkain. Wow, naglini!
Mo, ibarg basa sa
Wow,
ibol.
hindi lang ako nakita ng gano'n, pre.
Parang some sort of stew.
I ate, cleaned everything up, now I can go to sleep. Sleep na. Buksan natin ilaw, natakot ako eh. Kahit sa CR, buksan natin ng ilaw lahat. Did someone knock? Ikaw na naman babae ka ha. Hoy, matutulog na ako. Tumahimik ka dyan. Tumigil ka ha. Ilaw. Ilaw ulit. Walang ilaw dito. Tulog ka na lang to. Oh! Ano yun? Who is it? May nagnanak! What? Parol ba to? Parang parol to ah. Ay, pucha naman! Sino ka, Lester? Detective. Good evening, Detective John Reeves, County Department. I knocked you but didn't respond.
Anliit.
So I let myself in. Hope you don't mind. Good evening. Did something happen? Not yet, but I need to ask you a couple of questions. Do you mind? Okay. Sige. No, not at hindi pala. Not at all. Let's go to the kitchen. Bakit sige, sige daw. Yamuya. Bakit ako? Tell me your full name and move-in date. Michael Evans. Moved here yesterday evening. Michael Evans, wala pa rin natin eh. Do you know Lester Stone? Lester Stone? Di ba yun yung may-ari ng bahay? Yeah, yes, that's the owner. I rent the house from him. Where do you work now?
Mo daw,
At 10? About 2 kilometer? What? Okay lang. Kahit anong husgan nyo sa pagsasalita ko, pre. Ayos lang yun. Huh. Have you heard of Harry Parker? Linda Reyes? Stanley Wilson? Stanley nawawala. Si Lester kasama natin, kausap natin sa kanina. After my shift, a man came by asking about Stanley. Said he was his friend. I told him I didn't know him and he left. He was wearing a cap and a blue shirt. Nakita niyo ba yung naglalakad sa pinto? Alright. Alright. Detective, please tell me what happened here. 3 people have disappeared in the county over the past 6 months. One of them worked at the same store as you. We're investigating and right now we have several properties in mind. Including this one. Huh. May namatay ata dito. We can end our conversations for today. It's already late and I don't want to take up your time. Okay. Here, take this. My phone number is on the paper. If you see anyone suspicious or learn anything new, call me right away. Okay. And yeah, be careful. Hindi ba napansin ng character natin na may sumisilip na kanina? Napakatigas talaga ni detective na maglakad. Pwede na ako matulog? Salamat! Yeah. I'm starting to understand why the rent was so low. Tama. Alam nyo, kapag cheap ang rent sa isang matik yan, pre, may something din. May multo. Rural place lang yan niya. Paano, what do you mean? What the hell? Who's calling me at this late? This late pala. Baka si Lester to. Lester, tawag ka ng I have to... Oh! Oh my God! Ano yun, pre? Puti ka nakatakot itsura niya, pre, ha? Parang hindi sa Slandrina yun, ha? Nightmare. What was that? What is going on here? Hindi ko na tinignan agad. Ang bilis tumakbo nung yung multo eh. Sino to? Para ako nasa Star City yung yung nakakatakot na yung papasukin natin! Yung papasukin na... Wow, loop. Ganito gusto ko, pre. Magaganto tayo sa...
Ng vinyl later.
Yung magaganto tayo sa Star City, pre. Parang sa Star City, ah. Ito ba si Lester?
May parol after ng vinyl later.
May parol? Ayos lang yan.
Sa Star City, di naman
Ay!
nakakatakot.
Parol nga! Nananaginip nga tayo, pre, I swear.
Aga ng Pasko.
Who's crying now? Ate, don't worry. I got you. Huwag mo lang gugulatin, ha? Okay, goods. Parol na naman? Alis na ako. Hilig yung sa parol, ha? Hindi ako pwede lumabas. Close. Pag talikod ko, nandyan na siya. Wala. Pwede na ako lumabas. Ito yung multo. Sabi ko sa inyo, kamukha ni Slyndrina, eh. Ooh, that's creepy. I get it. She doesn't like it when I look away. I can't take my eyes off her? Where is she then? Oh! No! Nasan siya? Magtitigan tayo ngayon! Ang dilim. Ay, ayaw niya na Hindi siya pwedeng alisan ng tingin. Nasaan na siya? Hindi ko na siya makita, pre. Ayun. Okay. Nasaan siya? Oh my goodness! Hindi ko naiinang... Pre, nababaliw ako! Nasaan siya? Oh my god. Oh my goodness, ang hirap niya yun, pre. I'm going out. Hirap. Kamukha ni Michael Jackson. Kamukha siya ni Slyndrina. Oh, you know? Bakit ang dilim sa inyo, pre? Nakikita niyo ba na maayos? Where am I? Okay, wait. It was a dream? Just a dream. Ewan ko ba't ganun sa game, ang dilim. Looks like the board covering the attic fell down during the night. And since Lester never said anything about the attic, I'll take a quick look while I still have time before my shift. Oh. It's too high. I need a ladder for this. I think I saw one in the shed outside. Baka dito nakatago lahat ng ng dumi mismo ng bahay na to. Okay. Okay. Baka dito nakatago lahat ng like what? Looks like it's just old junk here. Para may nakatira dito sa taas eh. Empty beer bottle. Hello yan. Nag-SSL Kurt. Someone was clearly drinking a lot here. Sino ba yung tumitira dito? Kaya pala cheap rent eh. May kasama pala ako dito eh. Cross. Glasses. Those are Lester's glasses. He was wearing them when we arranged the house rental. Kaya pala baba ng may something dun sa dulo. Kaya pala baba ng renta dito ah. May nakikitira pala. Ano pang pupulutin ko? Meron pa ba? May susi oh, what's this? May note din. Get rid of all this idiot stuff. Find a new tenant urgently. Fill the shack with crosses.
Kayo sa rent, kaya
Figure out where to throw away the rest of the clothes and junk. Move my stuff from the attic. Don't forget, this is the spare key to the shack. I need to hide it. He evicted someone and now he's surrounding the shack with crosses and wants to block the way there. Baka nandun yung multo. Looks like that trail by the shed leads straight to it. Nandun yung multo, pare. Huli mo na!
Homeless kasi.
Homeless kasi. He's probably not coming back to this attic anytime soon, so I'll take the key. After work, I'll go check out that shack. Bakit hindi mo na tignan ngayon? Absent na lang ako, ganyan pre. Uy! There's nothing else interesting here. I can go to work. Okay. Baka murderer si Lester. Tapos pinatingin yung babae, tapos nagbumulto dito, no? Nangingila ng tulong. Ay, hindi. Ba't ayaw hindi pwedeng tignan yung multo. Looks like that's everything. Time to close up. The manager left me another note in the office. Okay. Feeling ko maglumulto din dito yung yung may nakita akong gumalaw dun ah. Hello, Aliyah. Michael, hope you got some sleep. Today is delivery day, so there's more work. Your tasks for the shift. Pick up trash from the sales floor, collect the trash bins, place the products on the shelves. Yun lang pala. Listen, the voltage in the store has started jumping for some reason.
Kumain ka na ba ng sili?
So the lights may flicker. Hindi pa. Hello, Tofi. Hello, JL. Damn, same as yesterday again. May problema yung kuryente dito sa shop. Ayun oh, sumilip na naman siya. Walang customer, hindi. Sarado na tayo ngayon. Bitaw na ito, no? Dito, lalabas yan dito, kaya dito. Tignan nyo, ha? Labas! Labas! Wala. Now for the hardest part, I need to stock the shelves. Andiyan na siya ulit. Ay, ito, dito.
Sumili, ano hahaha?
Bakit kapag pinipredict ko, di siya lumalabas? Oh! Saan niya kukuha ng gamit? How do I, stock it? Ito ba?
Expect the unexpected kasi.
Product spots are highlighted in green. Ay, ito ang dami. Tapusin ko ito lahat. Paligo daw saglit. Wala. Putik ka. Hindi ko lang kailan siya lalabas, Highlighted green daw. So, nandito lang. Ito, nandito. Ayun siya, oh. Bro, why do you keep doing that, ha? Do you have a crush on me? May crush sa akin to, man. Gituloy mo lang yan. Sige lang. Act like nothing's happening, okay? Bahala ka dyan. Magpapansin ka pa sa akin. Hindi kita papansinin. Kala mo bubuksan ko yan, lalapitan. Hindi. Lag pa ako. Hindi kita papansinin. Bahala ka dyan. Kumatok ka lang na kumatok. Putik. Madaming surprises. Nagbibilik na, oh. Andito na yan. Tumigil na yung katok niya. Andun pa rin? Sige. Tuloy mo lang. Kaya mo yan. Sige lang. Ay, pucha! Can you tell me where the exit is? I'm trying to get out, but every door is blocked. Takigit yan! Parang di tao to, pre. But every door is blocked. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, di tao yun eh! Shemay. Gising pa rin diwa. What was that? Where did he go? Ayun, nakasilip siya, oh. Uy! Sino ba tong babae na to kasi? Patili nga ako, no? Kitpitik ba yan? Wait, di ko na turn on the light lang. Okay, sige. Place the products on the shelf. Maraming surprises. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang yun isa. Ay, umpisa pa lang yun. Marami pang mangyayari. Okay, managad pre, para wala nang mangyari. Tingin ka sa baba. Huwag kang titingin sa taas, pare. Ganyan-ganyan lang tayo. Para iwas jumpscare. Okay. Legit sa art niya. Sa baba. Yan. Tingin. Ay, ano ba yan? Okay. Mas nakakatakot pa yung hindi multo. Mas nakakatakot pa yung kanina yung sa lalaki. Legit. Mas nakakagulat yung esa dun. I think last na to. Patapos na. Yeah. Meron pa? Meron pa? Wala na? Wala na. Ay, meron pa dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I need to close the doors. Close. Ay! Close! Close! Close. Ito muna patinggo. Wala. Close the back door and go home. Kumakaliskis na. Imbis na mag-ML. Dapat nag-ML na lang din ako eh. Oh, what the freak? Ah. Bahala ka dyan. Oh, it was just a dream. Lock. Just a figment of my imagination. Siya mismo nag-ano? Kamusta exam ko? Ayos lang. Siya mismo ata nag-ano yung character natin. It's already dark, but I have to find out what's in that shack. Something is clearly wrong here. Find the shack. Trail near the shed. Ah! Yung ano? Katabi ng shed. May welcome. Buhok yung katawan niya. What do you mean? I need to find the shack now. Ah, okay. Hindi ba mas madali lang pumunta dun sa bahay? Minasilip po! Who's this? Ay, tao din yun eh. Si Lester ata to eh. Tao din na yung nakasilip kanina, hindi babae. Sana kita nyo pa ano. Hindi gano'n nakakatulong yung flashlight. Ito yung trail. Okay. Para siya sa Slendrina yung kalaban natin. Looks like I'm going the right way.
May flashlight pala.
May flashlight pala. Yeah, wala akong kwenta yung flashlight. Yellow yung flashlight eh, yellowish, hindi siya white. Ano meron siya, shock? Baka killer nga si Lester, tapos nagmumulto yung pinatay niya sa atin. Ay, pinatay niya. Lamppost. Tol, kang gagalaw ng ganyan. Ay, may ilaw na dito. Ano yun? Ah. Ay! Okay. Right or left? Dito na sundin natin. Huwag kang lumingin sa likod. Hindi naman ako nalingon eh. Sundan lang natin yung mga lamp. Oh shoot. Ayun siya oh. Ba, nagpaparamdam nga talaga dahil siguro nangihingi ng tulong to. Walang gusto sa akin to pre. Nangihingi siya ng tulong. Tapos pinatay ni Lester to. O, bahala sa ito eh. I got you, okay? Putik. Parang malapit. Ito ni Shaq. Wow. Bakit demonyo to? Ba't ang daming cross? Explore the shack. What? What? Minuto? Plan, end of nightmare. At last, I found an exact description of this creature in an old book. The demon is called Asgorath. It drives people insane for a while. then drags its victims into its dimension and traps them in an endless nightmare. Oh! What the freak? Ano ba yan? Thomas Brooks. Ayaw na basahin yan? Ito ba yung mga victim niya? Thomas Brooks, Emily Carter, David Miller. Ay, nako, yung mga jumpscare dito. Robert Kane, Harry Parker, Linda Reyes, Stanley Wilson, Michael Evans? That damn detective he's watching Michael now. If he disappears, I'll become the main suspect. Si Lester nga ata nag-umpisa nito lahat. Yung kausap natin sa telephone kanina. Mga past tenants. Hindi ba yung victim? Stanley's junk firewood stove. The coffee is warm. He came out fire. May voodoo doll oh. A wooden doll. Uy, putik naman! Dali ko ma-jumpscare ngayon. Explode the shock pa din? I mean, wala nang ano dito. Generator. Looks like this was cooked recently. Yeah, may tao nga dito kanina. No way. These notes. The missing people. The totems. The crosses. That dream from yesterday and the demon silhouettes I see. All of it is freaking real. They tried to remove the demon? Hindi eh. Parang dinala niya yung demon si mga tao ata. I need to get the hell out of here and tell the detective. Run from here? Okay. Parang di ako natakbo. Pucha, naglalakad si Idol eh. Hoy! Split na pala yun. Oh my God! Sino yun? Michael, wake up. You're in the basement right now and you don't have much time. You've probably already figured out what you got yourself into. But I have an idea to end all this. One book said that Asgarath can be killed with fire. But just burning down the house won't do anything. Si Lester nga ata yung pumano sa... Ah, what? Gagawin tayong victim din. The demon's lair has to be burned from the inside. Oh! You're perfect for that role. Ayoko nakikita talaga yung babae niya. I left the light and gas can in the hall. Just pour gasoline over the hall and set it on fire. Should I go? I perform the ritual to get you there faster. As soon as the last candle burns out, the demon will drag you into its dimension. So how do I go? Burn his cursed place to the ground. Yes, you'll burn with the demon. Huh? What you mean? But at least you saved me. Parang hindi ako sang-ayon sa... Sorry, Michael. Goodbye. Liligtas ko siya. Wala akong ano dito. Ano gagawin ko?
Lahat hindi pa nga pumayag.
Hindi ako nagulat. Boy pa tayo? No. No! I'm here again? Lester, I swear, when I get out of here... Anong gagawin natin kapag nakita na si Lester? Oh! Don't take your eyes off the demon! Where's the demon, huh? Where? Where's the demon? Oh! Kailangan rin i-hold? Hold nga. Ulit ako kanina. Ito pala. Ooh. Okay. I think mas better sa malayo tayo na box. Ang ganda ng concept ng game, ah. No, wag ganon. Ito susi.
Talaga.
Clutch, pare, clutch. Yan, dyan ka lang, okay? You stay there, okay? Susidatan! Hindi ko alam kung susidatan! Tingin, pare.
Hindi, carry mo yan, ha?
Nakatakot ba? Oo, nakaka ba talaga, pre? Kapag nanginig yan, matik nandyan na siya. Ayun na. Okay, we have to get ready. Dito siya pupunta. Ayun na. Tayo tayo muna. Never mind, ikot na dito. Naaalala ko yung concept ng ano dito, ng Madison. Susi. Okay, good. So, dito siya. Oh my gosh, bro. Kinakabahan ako doon.
Paalala yun.
Ay, hindi ko na papaalala. Okay. Oh!
Sino kasi sumabunot sa'yo nun, ha?
Si JC, sinabunutan ako nun. Kiki. Okay. Tayo natin siya ulit. Start again. Oh, para ako si ano dito si Medusa. Oh yeah, Jonah, maraming salamat. Hindi ko na alam nasa na yung clip na yun, pre. Oh, dito ka ngayon. Tumingin dito ngayon, Parks. Bang! Kunin ko na to. Thank you. Dalawa na lang. Oh no. Kinakabahan ako. Hindi siya basta nag-register. Oh no! Puti ka! Parang hirap naman nun. Shemay! Ah! Hindi ako pwede sa corner. Buksan ko na ba lahat? Kaki, bumibilis siya, men. Muntik na ako kanina.
Players matatalo, yan.
Saan yung umiikot? Ito ba? Okay. Last key! Bumibilis siya! Ay, bumibilis na siya! Wag ganun. Okay, we need one more. Sa kabilang side yun. So, dito ako magpapahabol dapat, I think. Ayun siya. Bumibilis siya, men. Bakit ganun? Here! Nandito ako! Okay, go. Ikot.
Ngayon ka na lang ba ulit natakot?
Yeah. Ngayon lang ako kinabahan ng ganito ulit, man. Legit. Oh, no! Ah! Yeah! Lagay mo na! Ayan na siya! Okay, good. Tapos na, nakakalabas na ako, pre. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, that's a nice concept na naman. Parang maganda yung concept ulit ah. Kuya GT, sa imong ano ah. Dito!
Meron ulit.
Name na Roblox ko. Papa Chunrods. 1 key done. Paano ko muna? Para siyang 5 Nights at Freddy's! Oh no! Open! Ay, sheesh! Man, di ko alam nangyari, man! Man, di ko alam nangyari! Di ko alam ginagawa ko legit. Bakit kailangan tatlo? How to check a corridor. To identify the demon for sure, you need to step about half a meter into the corridor, then you will be able to hear rare footsteps as well as heavy breathing sounds. Gramophone. To turn off the music, hold E on the lever and keep holding it until it goes all the way down. Ang hirap ng game.
Kapag layers of fear A.
Hindi ko. Try ko magpatagal ng live right now. Okay ko. Okay, kapag ginamit natin yung mga red button or nagpailaw tayo, mawawala yung battery. So, kailangan ko i-hold. Dito siya. I knew it. Kailangan ko siya i-hold. Oh, shoot. Battery, get battery. Battery, get. Battery, get. Lapag. Okay. Pakinggan lang natin. Kailangan pala natin lumapit. Okay, nakita ko na siya ulit. Okay. Battery. Get battery. No batteries. Battery. Hold. Wala pa siya. Dito siya. Ikot. Get. Battery. Bigyan mo yung battery. Battery. Yes. Battery. Bukas. Grabe yung sound, man. Nakakaano to. Pakinggan natin ulit.
Grabe nakakapanik A.
Dito. Oh, ang lapit niya, gagi. Oh my god, ang lapit niya doon, man. Battery. Battery. No, walang battery. Battery, lapag! Pakinggan muna natin siya ulit. Ibuksan na pala natin to. Open. Lapit. Walang humihinga. Wala pang humihinga. Nandito siya. Okay, go. Ikot tayo ng konti. And then, battery! Oh my god! Box sa Mauriano. Dito siya. Oh no! Nagkamali ako! Dito siya. Ikot. Nagkamali ako ng ano kanina. My god. Kala ko meron doon kanina. Buti na lang talaga. Buti na lang. Wala pa. Buksan mo na. Para pwede ko na siyang... Oh, ayan oh. Shit, wala. Buksan mo na. Tapos na ba? Looks like this is the end. There's no way out. I need to burn this place. Hello, Ciel. Late ba? Oh, ito pala. Galing. All that's left is to light it up. Light it up. Where? Dito? Although, I can try something. Akala ko nadali na tayo. Wala na tayo sa real world, di ba? Detective, if you can hear me, help me. It was all Lester. He's the killer. Oh no. Oh no. Sunugin kita, sama tayo. Sunog na nga. Pwede nyo download that sa Steam. Yeah, may page siya. Sama kami na sunog ah. So niligtas lang talaga natin si Lester. Oh, wait, that's the detective? Oo nga! We lived a month later. Puno ng demonyo. A few days after the fire, Lester was detained while trying to cross the city limits. Despite the attempt to destroy the evidence in the shack, the police were able to find enough proof. Lester was sentenced to life imprisonment. The bodies of the previous victims were never found. Only their personal belongings were discovered in the forest. Michael recovered and was discharged from the hospital just a week later. After everything that happened, he now carefully checks the history of every house before moving in. Wow. Coincidences? Ano sa tingin nyo kung bakit coincidences ang pangalan ng game? Bakit coincidences? It was maybe the one? Ay, one person lang gumawa nito?
I
W.
think maybe it's a coincidence.
What?